welcome back to my channel. It's Shannalee here, working on day 5 of my December daily. I've been so looking forward to doing this layout. I rarely ever make sugar cookies and they literally were just a work of art. I typed out my journaling and I have this beautiful card from Ellie's studio all about sugar cookies and baking. I thought it would be great for this layout. I also pulled out some alpha stickers, and Ellie's Studio has a sticker sheet set called Christmas Cookie Stickers, and I love this. I wish I could get it every year. It's not very often that I see a sticker sheet specifically for baking. And I have my photos all ready to go. I have a mix of 3x4s. I have the other side of this 4x8 to work on. My cutting down the Christmas tree photo was on the back. I will be working on this side. So I'll go ahead and I'll put this in fast forward and get started. So the first thing I do is I get my 4x8 ready. I am so happy how this turned out. I made the photo slightly smaller and I left a lot of white space at the bottom. I thought it would be fun to decorate down there, maybe do a little bit of journaling. And then I go ahead and I cut the rest of my 3x4s. This part probably took me the longest, is trying to figure out where each photo went. I wanted to make sure the one that had all of us together was at the top when we were rolling out the dough. And then I took out the photo or the stickers and I went sticker crazy. I pretty much, no rhyme or reason, I just wanted to make sure I used a lot of these fun stickers. So I added a text strip at the top, right, holiday baking, and then I put a bunch of gingerbread men around, a couple gingerbread stars, and slid it back in. And now I'm trying to figure out what number 5 I want. Throughout the album, most of the numbers I've used so far are the black ones, but then I decided to use a number from last year. It's a very fine, thin, forest green number 5, and I think it looks really nice right in the center. And then I decided to do some handwriting journaling. I find using your own handwriting is a great way to add character. I do like typed journaling, but sometimes I add a mix. So I wrote all the different shapes that we used for cookies and I slid that in. And now I'm going to do the other side of my sheet, and I decided not to use the journaling card in the bottom right corner. And I added 3 photos and put a wood veneer at the top that says Jolly right in the center of the cookie sheet. And now I'm taking the letter stickers and writing out the word baking. I love the reds. I find that they really stand out from the reds in our shirt and the reds and the gifts on the journaling card, and I just love how that stands out on, it kind of makes consistency on the left and right side with the white space and the red. And I also just go ahead and start putting a bunch of stickers. On the bottom left, I end up doing a whole bunch of labels, and I added one that says cookies, another one that says sweet treats, another one says milk and cookies, and one that says making a mess. And I kind of overlap them a little bit and cut off the excess. I really love that look. And then I add a cute little sprinkles shaker. And to finish it off, for any of my smaller pages that aren't 6x8s, I add a little tab to hold onto. So I grabbed a tab called Create. So we were creating fun decorative cookies, and it's sticky, but to make it more secure, I stapled it with my small stapler. And as I'm sliding everything back in, I realize I want to add more stickers. So I take out this cookie sheet and I add a sticker that is a cookie sheet with different shapes of cookies on it. I thought that was perfect. And I add a couple more stickers, one that says yum and a candy cane, and call it finished. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in my album. And as you can see, I finished day 6 already. I will have the link for this process video below. I did it for the December daily group, Anything Goes. It was an interactive page and it shared the kids' wish list for Christmas. And on the right hand side, I have the mystery kit 6x8 papers from Allie. Oh, come let us adore him. And I thought the black papers really went nice. I'll see you next time.